Right, today we will be working on this remote, BeFree sound remote. Right, as you can see, batteries in it. Well, I gotta take it out. Alright, so the person said that it's not working, so the first question I asked them if they're a person who left the battery in it, and they said yes. So alright, so if you each time I press this button, you're supposed to see a purple flashing light, infrared. Basically, naked eye cannot see it, but the camera will pick it up, and I'm not seeing anything. Alright, so the aim is to remove the batteries now, and then I'm going to use a terminal screwdriver to open up this remote. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, you can see the condition of the buttons. Alright, take my time and lift this up on the board. Alright, if you notice the condition of the terminal here, corrosion here. Alright, so I'm going to do a simple clean with some alcohol, clean off here. Alright, and put it back together and let you see it. Alright, everything is being cleaned. Alright, so fit up time. Alright, brand new battery, and you see the light is flashing. Yeah, that's showing your working remote. Alright.